Hey everybody, Don here again. Well, I'm back on my new favorite pond with my special guest, Samuel, my nephew's son. So that makes him my great nephew.
Yeah.
He's pretty great. And we're here. It's not quite sunrise, and we're gonna have us a day. We were fished in the boat yesterday, and it was tough. Not here on the Pemi, and hopefully we'll have a much better day today.
Yeah.
So stick around. It's going to be fun. And we're off. What are you going to start out with? That whopper plopper? Awesome. I don't have a topwater lure on, but I think I'm going to put one on. I do have the beast mode spinnerbait that was absolutely rocking it in here when I came in with my buddy Tex. So I'm gonna be throwing that bad boy some more. I think a pickerel got the trailer off of that though. I need to put a new trailer on there. Samuel's out here visiting me from Montana. Flew him out here a couple nights ago. And we're gonna be fishing here. Ooh, I forgot one of my boxes. And then tomorrow we're headed up to New York to fish the St. Lawrence. Whoa. There we go. And some other rivers up there. The Grass River is another one that's really good. I'm hoping to get a repeat performance from this beast mode spinnerbait. I just hammered them in here the first time I was in here. I think I might put on a topwater lure and do a little popping just before the sun comes up. All right, tied on the popper. See if we can work this amongst these little pads. There's my beaver buddy letting me know he's around and I'm not wanted. Yeah, it's funny, there's a lot of big boulders that come relatively close to the surface in this pond. And if this was a smallmouth pond, I'd expect to catch fish around every one of those, but I haven't caught a fish near one of those rocks. And neither of the other times I fished here. All right. Like I said, I abandon it relatively quickly if I'm not having any action on it. Looks like a pick. No, it's a bass. All right. First fish of the day is a little bass. No skunk. All right. Nothing big, but at least I know they're wanting a spinnerbait. At least he was. Nice thing about the spinnerbait is you can work it through those weeds without picking up too much trash. Pick up a little bit, but anything with treble hooks, at least where I'm at now, you're going to have issues. Let's go hit that whole bay again with the spinnerbait instead of the popper. Got him. Oh, feels like a little bit better fish. Oh, I think it's another pick. Yep. Come on. In the boat. A little bit bigger one. Oh, man. Broke my line. Slimy son of a gun. Another hammer handle, kind of a pickerel. Slimed me, broke my line on a flip. Cut it, actually. Ooh. And beast mode spinnerbait is getting it done this morning again. No giants, but I'll take a boatload of those all day long. I kind of thought I'd come over here and see how you were doing and let you know the spinnerbait seems to be working again.
Yeah.
You throwing the perch at all?
I have.
Nothing. Yeah. So let me give you the layout. This bay in here is really shallow, okay. And then you go around and that's where those two islands are. And I mean, this is not a very big pond, yeah, but it's got a lot of good cover. So
yeah.
I'm gonna work back where you just came through and see if I can get anything to rise up on the spinnerbait.
What should I put on the back?
You got, did I give you some of those trailers? Well, that might be a good one to try.
Okay. And I got
the chartreuse,
I got these.
yeah, or that, either one.
Try the chartreuse.
I just think the spinnerbait, although last time I was here, the spinnerbait didn't do great, but pretty good so far this morning. Even if it's just pickerel.
Yeah. Fish is fish.
Whew, man, that sun is gonna be bright today. You gotta be careful. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, it's a nice bass. Yeah. Oh, baby. Come on. All right. That's a nice one. On the spinnerbait. Come on, settle down. Come on, settle down. Whew, barely hooked. Nice, nice one. Not huge, probably 15, 16 inches. Right off this tree, as always. All right, that was a nice fish. So everything's coming on a spinnerbait, like the first time I was here. You guys know how I love to fish timber. Ah. All right, I just turned Samuel on to one of the beast mode spinnerbaits. He's caught one decent bass on the Senko. It's a beautiful morning. Samuel says I ought to bring my scale over. Oh yeah, nice one. Be right there and get a little photo and put him on the scale, see what he looks like. What'd you get him on?
Out and it hit right away.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can. That looks like the big fish of the day to me. Oh yeah, that's a dandy.
Yeah.
Let's put him on. Hang on. There, you got him. All right, I got him. Talking about 2 pounds 9 ounces. You see that?
Nice.
That is. That's a nice fish. Hold that up. I want to take a photo of us. All right.
There you go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Give me 5. All right. And there he goes. Sweet.
There you go.
Nice one.
Yeah.
So, oh, you caught that on the spinnerbait?
Yeah, the spinnerbait.
Man, that spinnerbait rocks in here. So last time I was in here, I caught quite a few fish on my perch lure. So I'm going to tie that on, clip it on, give it a shot. It was funny. Yesterday we were fishing on the Pemmy and we were just loading up the boat, or putting the boat in. And I was pulling out my trailer and there was another guy behind us and parked the truck, and the guy says, "Is that Don Padgett, the lure painter?" It was Ethan Reynolds, one of my son's friends. Oh, that's nice. On the perch. Oh, I can't tell what it is, but feels good. It might be a pick. I think it's a pick. Don't steal my lure. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, nice bass. Oh, I might have you beat, Sam. You'll. On the perch lure. Oh, man. Let me get my grippers, because me and treble hooks don't get along, and I think he's in the net. Yeah, he's got the... Well, he's not a big fish by any stretch of the imagination, but nailed that perch. Where's Samuel? He's around the corner. All right, that's bass number 5, I think. But here's the reason why I hate treble hooks, and I probably should never net a fish that I've caught with a lure with treble hooks, because it's all tangled up in the net. Anyways, I was talking about my son's buddy Ethan, and I'm sorry, I forgot the name of the guy that was with him. I think it was Aaron. And I had a brand new perch lure with me, and I gave it to Ethan and said, go catch a big fish and send me a pic. Well, we'll see. I don't know that they caught anything yesterday, but they were still fishing when we came off the water. There. That took a while. Back in action. All right. Turned out to be a pretty good morning. Making up for the slow day we had yesterday. Oh, let's see. I got that guy right over here. About 1.5 pounds probably. Seemed a little bit bigger when I was fighting him, but oh, this perch, I'll tell you. I told Ethan, I said, this is a killer, bud. I'd be interested to see. He said he watches my videos, so if you're watching, Ethan, I hope you catch some fish with that perch lure. The paint I used on this perch lure is a pearlized gold, and it really reflects the sun. It's got really nice action, but just the paint job on it really shows up nice. It really reflects the sun, almost like a spinnerbait blade does. You can see that thing, man. I'm really happy with that lure. Samuel's got a nice one on. Let's go check it out. All right, that's a nice one. Let's see it. Awesome. It's 16, 17 inches, something like that. Yeah. 17. Look at that. That's a beauty. I'm up to 6 bass, couple pickerel. You're probably up higher than that by now.
Yeah, I think I caught 2 out there and then 3 in here, so about 5.
Yeah.
So about 6.
Yeah, awesome. Well, it was a pretty darn good morning. Samuel ended up with 6 or 7 bass, nice two big ones, and I ended up with 6 bass and a couple pickerel. So we're gonna call it a morning, go get some lunch, and come back this evening. We'll see you when we do.